Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Ibrahim, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix You Need Access in Google Drive Full 2026 Guide. If you're tired of seeing that annoying access error whenever you try to open a file, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fix it quickly and properly. First, start by opening Google Drive and make sure you're on the main homepage. Once you're there, click on Drive so you can access all your files. After that, head over to Home, where your frequently opened files are normally shown. Then open My Drive, which is where all your personal folders and documents are stored. You can also check the Computers section if you've synced anything from your devices, but it's optional. When you're done, return to Home so you can select the file you want to fix. Choose any file that usually shows the You Need Access message. When it's selected, click the Share button to open the permission settings. Inside the sharing window, find the section where it says Anyone and click on it so the visibility options appear. Switch it to Anyone with the link, which ensures that people opening the file won't run into that access issue anymore. After that, look at the role settings and click Viewer if you only want people to look at the file, or choose Editor if you want them to be able to make changes. Once everything is set the way you like, hit Done to save all your permissions. And that's all you need to fix the You Need Access problem in Google Drive for 2026. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you never miss any new guides.